Hello and welcome back to Crochet with Jane. Today's tutorial is about how to crochet a magic ring. We are going to learn how to crochet a magic ring on a pointing finger. If you want to learn how to crochet such beautiful heart with magic ring, follow that link that will appear in the right corner of your screen. For this tutorial you need any yarn and a suitable hook for it. I've got a cotton yarn and a 3.0mm hook. So if you're ready, take your hook and let's begin. Take a yarn this way. The tail should be long enough, and the tail should be in the bottom part of your hand. Yarn over around your pointing finger like this. And you can hold it to the other hand with your fingers. Make sure the top yarn is crossed to the left. We insert a hook behind both and we cross the yarn and pull out the loop. After, it is necessary to chain one to secure our magic ring, like this. Yep. And carefully pull it from your finger. That's it. We can now tighten or loosen our magic ring. And we start crocheting into the ring double crochets to make sure it works well. We chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and crochet 12 double crochets into our brand new magic ring. So here we have crocheted 12 double crochets. Just pull this tail and your magic ring is tightened to the maximum. Let's slip stitch. Yep, so here it is our circle made with magic ring. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. I really appreciate your support and see you soon in my next videos.